Citroën 2CV Sport 2025, a cult classic reinvented. Exterior, nostalgia meets modern sport. The design of the 2025 Citroën 2CV Sport nods heavily to the original, with a similar rounded body shape, tall arches, and sloping roofline, but with a modernized, sporty edge. Up front, the new 2CV Sport features the iconic grille shape, framed by LED headlights that retain a rounded design inspired by its predecessor. Citroën has incorporated streamlined body lines and larger wheels, giving the 2CV a poised, agile look that reflects its newfound performance potential. It's available in a range of nostalgic colors, including Citroën's signature soft gray and sunny yellow, while bolder colors like alpine blue and graphite black bring a contemporary edge. The contrasting roof option is available in either a retractable soft top or fixed hardtop, allowing drivers to experience a piece of the classic 2CV's breezy, open-air charm. Interior, retro charm with a technological core. Inside, the 2025 2CV Sport keeps things minimalistic, honoring the original model's no-frills character while adding modern comforts. A simple dashboard with rounded air vents and a classic 2-spoke steering wheel harks back to the original, but with modern functionality. High-quality materials like eco-friendly leather, recycled fabrics, and soft-touch panels give the cabin a premium feel while maintaining sustainability as a core theme. The digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information in retro-inspired graphics, echoing the classic analog dials, but with the clarity and customization of modern technology.